very different video. I learned with my dehydrator how to make Steak-umms dehydrated. So these are the Steak-umms I took out of the box. I'll show you the Steak-umms box right here. Steak-umms. Okay, if you look at the ingredients on Steak-umms, I don't know if anybody's ever looked at them. See, one ingredient, beef. Okay, they extrude it through and make these little slices. So what I did is I put them on my dehydrator metal trays, and I'm gonna put them in the dehydrator. And wait till you see what they make. I'm going into my laundry room now because this puts out some heat. I had to make it more level there because my dryer goes down. And I'm doing it for at 160 degrees in the dehydrator for about 8.5 hours. Okay, I just started them, so they're raw. But these wonderful Steak-umms turn into beef chips. They're kind of like eating crackers, and they're really cool. What do you see? Check out my dehydrated Steak-umms. We've got 3 hours and 37 minutes left. Let's check and see how they're doing. Here they are. Look at that. See that the fat starts to come out of the meat. I'll be blotting that dry when they come out in a couple hours. Then I'll put them in Tupperware and put them in the refrigerator, and then they're like crackers, and they're so good. I pulled them out, they're finished, and what I'm doing now is I'm blotting the oil on the paper towels while they're warm, and then I will take these wonderful beef crisps and put them in Tupperware in the refrigerator. And then I can have beef crisp snacks anytime I want. Fantastic way for a one ingredient food. Something different that most people don't try, using the dehydrator. So these are finished. They were in the refrigerator overnight, and they are like crackers. They're really, really crisp and firm. See how they break? And they're so good. It's the texture of like a wafer, like a cracker, and it's 100% beef. That's it, period. It's got the fat in it because your hands are a little oily afterwards. Makes a great snack. You can put it in soups. Pretty versatile, and you can take it on trips like you can with beef jerky. I like it. Something I just discovered.